Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video, I will talk about Polygon price prediction and Polygon news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polygon in 2022. Polygon, formerly MATIC network, is the first well-structured and easy-to-use Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development platform. Its core component is the Polygon SDK, a flexible modular framework that supports the creation of multiple types of applications. Using Polygon, you can create optimistic rollup chains, ZK rollup chains, standalone chains, or any other framework that developers may need. Polygon effectively turns Ethereum into a complete multi-chain system, i.e., the Internet of Blockchains. This multi-chain system is similar to Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, and others, but with all the benefits of Ethereum: security, vibrant ecosystem, and openness. Polygon, formerly MATIC network, is a Layer 2 scaling solution backed by Binance and Coinbase. The project aims to stimulate the mass adoption of cryptocurrencies by solving scalability issues on many blockchains. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polygon. Graph GRT flips MATIC to becomes most traded token by ETH whales. The Graph GRT has flipped Polygon, MATIC coin to become the most traded coin by the 1,000 biggest Ethereum, ETH whales, in last 24 hours. GRT coin has also made it to the list of top 10 coins purchased by the biggest ETH wallets. The coin stands in the 9th spot. GRT coin most traded crypto by ETH whales. The 1,000 largest Ethereum wallets are worth an average of $143.66 million and have an average of 40,453 ETH, 38 tokens, and 1 NFT. The largest ETH whales have shown their interest in the coin to make it the third most used contract in the last 24 hours. However, USDC and Ethereum lead the list with first and second positions respectively. ELON coin is the most widely held token by the ETH whales, while the FTX coin is still the biggest token held by dollar value. The biggest wallets hold over $1.5 billion worth of FTX tokens. It makes up more than 19% of the total among the rest of the coins. Graph GRT coin drops new announcements recently. The Graph drops some announcements regarding subgraph, NFT use cases, and more. The Graph is a project focused on the future of retrieving and managing data. It is currently hosted on Ethereum, while it plans to add support for the Ethereum virtual machine. The growing list of subgraphs can be termed as the main reason for GRT getting investors' attention. Subgraphs are open application programming interfaces, APIs, offered by the network for popular decentralized applications and blockchain protocols. It can be built by anyone, and is designed to make data easily accessible. Recently, subgraphs were launched for individual projects, like the migration of the gaming subgraph for a community-led game studio, Nifty League. Earlier, subgraphs were integrated with Juicebox protocol and the SanjaDAO. The Graph token is trading at an average price of $0.351883, with a 24-hour trading volume of $124,281,861. It has plunged 0.19% in the last 24 hours. As per CoinMarketCap, GRT is ranked 5th of gains made by those following their wallet. But if they do sign into the protocol, they can set a custom fee. And if they wanted to deter people from copying their trades, they could set a very high fee. HouseCat estimates that it could create a way for successful traders to effectively become asset managers in some sense. If they build up a large following, they might only own the assets in their wallet, but they would be somewhat responsible for a much larger amount of money. A 16-year-old teenager could have more assets under management than Goldman Sachs. You might have tens of thousands of people following your wallet, he said. Although the entirety of the crypto market is currently smaller than Goldman Sachs' current there are obviously risks to this approach. The person operating the wallet could act maliciously, leading all of its followers off a cliff. In anticipation of such possibilities, HouseCat has taken a few mitigations. HouseCat will initially restrict the tokens that can be copied, preventing traders from using their following to manipulate tokens with small market caps. Plus, it will also identify which traders have signed into the platform and are known to be actively managing their wallets, as opposed to wallets that are simply anonymous and may not even know they are being followed. People understand this is a vetted, trusted wallet, said the Sternin, and these are the Wild West, where you're on your own. This story has been updated to change the funding from $3.7 million to $3.5 million based on an update to the press release. Plus, the mention of Swapy's Series B has been changed to a Series C raise that was announced yesterday. Let's take a look at the next piece of news. Ethereum scaling project Polygon has raised $450 million in a private token sale. Sequoia Capital India led Polygon's fundraise, with more than 40 other investors participating, including SoftBank Vision Fund 2, Tiger Global, Alan Howard, Kevin O'Leary, Galaxy Digital, Sino Global Capital, Alameda Research, Digital Currency Group, Axel, Union Square Ventures, and Dragonfly Capital. The investors were given Polygon's MATIC tokens at a discount, but the project's co-founder Sandeep Nailwal declined to share specific details. The current price of MATIC is around $2, up 16% in the last 24 hours, according to CoinGecko. With fresh capital in hand, Polygon plans to allocate $100 million to its ecosystem fund, and about $10 million each to its various scaling products, including Hermes, Miden, Zero, and Nightfall, per year, said Nailwal. That'd provide us 3 to 5 years of runway, he added. Polygon recently committed to investing $1 billion in zkRL-related scaling efforts and, since then, has announced 2 acquisitions worth $650 million, Mir and Hermes. Nailwal said the fresh capital will allow Polygon to consolidate its Ethereum scaling efforts and onboard the next billion users to Ethereum. Since its founding in 2017, Polygon has massively grown its ecosystem. Over 7,000 decentralized applications are currently building on Polygon, the project said. Today we will discuss the Polygon price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. MATIC price prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for MATIC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $1.80 and a minimum bid of $1.75. The maximum bid is expected to be around $2.09. MATIC price forecast 2023. For a long-term forecast of the Polygon price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of MATIC will rise to around $2.64 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.98 with a minimum price $2.55 level. Polygon price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Polygon could cross $4.41 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $3.72. MATIC price prediction 2025. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Polygon will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2025, MATIC is expected to peak at $6.17. The minimum bet could go up to $5.10 if the market turns bullish. MATIC rate prediction 2026. MATIC will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polygon rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Polygon rate will be almost $7.28. The maximum bet we can get is $8.97. Polygon average price forecast for the end of 2026 could be around $7.49. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.